Hi my dear students, you are welcome again to my channel Study Parlor. Today I am going to teach or discuss some important prepositions. Prepositions, as you know, is one of the important topic of school syllabus or English language, and without preposition it is very difficult to write correct sentences. So I have today taken some of the prepositions: just, deal in, deal with, between, among, amongst, by, with, fill in, fill up, fill out. So in English there are plenty of prepositions. There are several hundred prepositions, but mostly used are some 150, which are divided into 5 types, and they are simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participle preposition, and preposition phrase. So among these I have taken some of the prepositions, important prepositions, which I will discuss in my present video, and on the rest of these prepositions I will discuss in my upcoming videos, one after another and one by one. Today I have taken deal in and deal with. Deal in, this preposition how changes the meaning of a word or full sentence when the preposition changes after certain words. So as for example, I have taken here deal in and deal with. Deal in means trade or business. Deal with means behavior. So when we say he deals in rice, that means his business is selling rice or he sells rice. But when we say he's dealing with the customer is exemplary, that means his behavior with the customer is exemplary. So next I have taken between, among, and amongst. Between is used generally when we mean two persons, and among or amongst is used when we mean more than two persons. So between, how to use? Distribute these sweets between two brothers. And when it is more than two, then it becomes among two brothers. And amongst, there is another word. You know, amongst also used similarly as among. Among and amongst almost the same. But among is more formal and more traditional, and among, and in general cases among we use. But for sophisticated use or application in our sentence, in our writings, generally we use amongst. Other clues that will help us to remember when among will be used and when amongst will be used. Among is used generally before the noun or pronoun which begins with consonant and has the consonant sound. Again, amongst is used before a word beginning with vowel and having the vowel sound. And another example, sometimes among, sometimes amongst. Anyone can be used, just like when some noun or pronoun is used and before that noun or pronoun the article is used, and in that case anyone can be used, among or amongst. Next preposition that I have taken is by and with. By is used generally in passive structure. The work was done by somebody, you use. By is used mean within or within certain time. Just for example, by evening. You will return by evening. Again, by is used when you mean some transport. As for example, by rail, by air, by car. So I have written in the form of one sentence, that is, did they come here by car or on foot? So how by use of by and with is different, that I have explained in a sentence. So if you please follow, it will be very easy and clear for you to understand. The snake was killed by a hunter, but with a stick. With means here, with the by is used before some agent, before somebody, but with is used before something. Okay, and with, again, with also means with the help of. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. There is a, here with means with the help of. That means in company of this car there is an iPhone, or there is a free iPhone. So you will get an iPhone free if you purchase this car. So here with her friend. That means in company of. With also means in company of. These are the uses of these prepositions by and with. Next I have taken fill in, fill up, fill out. Another important preposition. These are preposition phrase. How they are used? If you please follow minutely, you will certainly understand. Fill in means to mean a part of a whole. A part of a whole. Suppose you have been given a form. Some information have been provided, and in some parts there have been left blank, and that part you have to fill in. So in that case, it is fill in. Fill in. And if you follow the example, fill in the circle, fill in the blanks, please. Fill up is used to make something become full or complete. Fill up. That means fill up the bucket, fill up the glass, fill up the tank, fill up the sacks. So fill up is used to mean to fill something which is already empty or blank. So in that case, fill up is used. Again, fill out. Fill out is used to complete a form or official document. Though it also means sometimes become thick. That means you have joined a gym. Now after few practices of few months, or after practices of few months, you have become healthy. How to distinguish the difference between fill out and fill in? You just read the example. Fill out a form by filling in the blanks. So fill in is used to complete certain part, and fill out is used to complete the full form or full document. Okay.